Hello everyone, this is Miss Paula and we're going to learn English. Today we will practice some grammar. The grammar rule we're going to discuss is passive voice. Passive voice is a quite formal structure and we use it on special occasions when we want to pay attention to what was done and not who did it. It's more important the object of the sentence than the subject or doer of the action. Let's have a look at an example and discuss. Look, we play video games every day. Let's analyze this sentence. We is the subject or doer of the action. Play is the main verb. Video games is the object. Every day is the time reference. That is active voice. What happens if we want to transform that into passive voice? Have a look. We will move the object of the sentence to the subject position. It is now more important. Video games. What happens with the main verb of the sentence? We will put it with two elements. Verb to be in the same tense as the original sentence. The verb to be is in the present because the original sentence was in the present. Play, are played. What happened with the main verb of the sentence? It comes now into the past participle. That is the third column of the verb. We play video games is changed into video games are played every day. Now, it is very important that you remember the three elements. The object moves to the subject position, video games. The verb has two elements, the verb to be in the same tense as the original verb, and the original verb in the third column, in this case, played, because it's a regular verb, so it comes with ed. Every day is just a time reference. What happens if we want to mention that we play video games anyway? So we will put that at the end of the sentence, and that will be video games are played every day by us. Now let's have a look at another example. Okay, so we're going to have a look at another example. In this case, a sentence in the simple past. Look at this sentence. This is the active sentence. Subject, verb, object. She wrote an email yesterday. The subject or doer of the action is she. Wrote is in the simple past, an email is the object, and the time reference, yesterday. Now, if we want to change that into passive voice, remember the three elements. We will move the object to the subject position, an email. We will use the verb with the two elements, verb to be in the same tense, in this case, was, and the main verb in the third column, past participle. So the sentence now is, an email was written yesterday. Okay, have a look again. An email was written yesterday. What happens if you want to mention that she wrote the email? Do you remember? We need to use by. In this case, we will say, an email was written yesterday by her. Okay? Now, below we will write some more sentences for you to practice, all right? And then you can send them to us and check if your answers are okay. All right? You need a lot of practice for this. It's not so simple, but if you practice, you can master it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.